How does it feel to be able to win this game?
Siyempre happy kami at na nakuha namin yung panalo ngayon by 3 sets. Pero siyempre may isa pang game para ma-assure namin yung slot sa semifinals. So, ikatrabaho mo na ako.
Thank you, boss. And for Adeline, what are your thoughts on this one, especially sa blocking department and the naging lost na yung members?
For the first time. We're very, very glad that slowly our training has been really showing in the game. So we're really happy na naman. But sabi nga ni Coach, this win, we'll take it today. Tomorrow is another day. The job is not done yet. And it's gonna be a long eliminations pa. Kahit one game na lang yung natitira sa amin. Hindi magiging madali. But yun, I'm very proud of the girls and the coaching staff. I have to commend the coaching staff na they're very patient na ituro sa amin at i-remind sa amin kung ano yung kailangan namin gawin. And yun, sana nagagawa namin yun. So, yeah. It's on the coaches talaga, the coaches.
And for them, this is your first time facing
Wow, oh my God, oh yeah!
Si Bea rin naman, so sasagot rin si Bea.
But you first, personally, how do you feel being able to get this win against your opponent?
I'm very happy that we got this win today. Very crucial win for us, especially going into the semis. This win boosts our chances and at the same time yung momentum namin moving forward.
Thank you. And for Bea, best player of the game against your former team. Here's how does it feel to be able to get this win and also be the best player of the game?
Well, again, sobrang happy namin na nakuha namin to. Sobrang big game niya for us, as you guys know. And sobrang thankful ko lang na nandito kami sa point na to na nakuha namin yung panalo. And talagang sama-sama namin ginawa yung trabaho namin. Lalo na sa ginagalaw din talaga ng Choco. We saw naman how their conference has been talagang nag-push rin talaga kami. So, just yun, sobrang blessed lang talaga. It's all Lord.
Thank you.
For Bea and then ito nga yung first step. Ano lang yung naging feeling kanina na nasa kabilang side na kayo, nakakalaban niyo yung dating yung team?
Yeah, in a way it was weird because it's kind of fresh. Ilang months pa lang kami with Teamline. But yeah, when we're inside the court, it's all business. And outside, we're happy for each other.
For me, well, siguro at some point, talagang big game din. Kinabahan din talaga ako at some point. Pero talagang mag-thank you lang rin talaga ako sa teammates ko, sa coaches ko na grabe yung guidance and tiwala sa akin na nandyan lang talaga sila literally behind my back. Adela is always there, whispering wisdom. And yes, talaga, yung tiwala nila sa akin talaga, yun yung nagpakalma sa akin, sa tiwala ko, sa sarili ko, and lalo na sa ginagawa talaga nila.
Eliza, yung Chocomucho has been the top teams entering this game. Does it give yung Creamline like a special boost of confidence after playing arguably your best game against a team na ganito kaganda yung tinatakbo?
I guess, definitely because sabi nga ni Bea kanina, they've been playing in the best conference and season yet. So, aside from the boost sa moral din namin getting that win against Chocomucho, I think it's more of sabi nga namin, we're really trying to find our way back. Most especially na nagsastruggle kami during the first part of this conference. So, malaking tulong tong game namin sa Chocomucho para settle kami ng konti, settle down kami ng konti, and to really bring back the fire and the hunger to win and to play better.
For Adela, as captain, pressure is not naman for you in mind, but in the situation now na allows for the trouble your final four chances, like, how did you motivate the team today, or what is like the battle cry more than ever to get this win against Chocomucho?
Well, I guess we're always we talk about patience all the time in our team. We talk about not being pressured to be perfect all the time. So yun yung battle cry talaga namin. And I guess iba rin talaga yung motivation na pag nandun ka sa point ng stage ng ano namin, siguro ng conference namin na may kailangan kami kuhanin. Nagkakaroon talaga kami ng konting motivation and konting push na hindi namin bibitawan yung chance na meron pa kami. Kasi sabi nga ni Coach Sherwin, nasa kamay namin yung chance na makakapasok pa kami sa second round. So, yun lang yung lagi namin inaalala.
Bea, playing with MJ in front of thousands of people sa Araneta.
Araneta.
Oh, yeah. Here. Yeah. I'm shy. But
Ano na naman?
sobrang blessing. Hindi ko akalain na dadating ako sa point na career ko na to na nandito ako. From a kid na super scrawny and didn't even know how to play a quick. I mean, they saw me. I didn't even know half the rules. Pero yun, kasama ko sila ngayon. Pareho kami lumalaban. Dream come true lang talaga.
Coach Sherwin, hindi pa tapos yung dapat sa meron pa kayo one game that may decide or make or break your semifinal campaign of this PLDT. So, ano yung mentality going into that PLDT game? Kahit sino.
Siyempre, trabaho. Yun yung unang maging mindset namin. Trabahoin namin ang PLDT for assurance sa semifinals. So, number one talaga is mag-teamwork muna yung team back to training kasi di pa naman tapos yung elimination. Sobrang, I think, 6 na teams yung nagkakayos. Di pa tapos. There's only one game.
For Dan and Bea, at this point, we can say na Creamline really feels like a new home na for you. You're like fully settled in the new environment, the new culture, the new everything.
Yes. No, really, it does really feel like home. Pagtapak ko lang dun sa training venue. Parang pinapihal nila na welcome ako sa team. I think the coaches, my teammates, and the management that, you know, they made it feel like I'm part of the family. Even if I was from Chocomucho. I know the optics wasn't, you know, really good. You know that. That's why I think I'm here in this interview. But yeah, one big happy family. Super great.
Yes, sobrang at peace ko sa kung nasan ako ngayon. Not a day goes by na hindi ako thankful sa mga kasama ko, sa mga coaches ko na binigyan pa ako ng isa pang chance na mahanap ko ulit yung sarili ko. And isa pong karangalan din talaga na nandito po kami ngayon. And I'm just so thankful to all of them. To Adelay, to Coach Sherwin na nagtiwala rin po sa akin. So yeah, my heart is at peace.
Yes, amen.
Amen.
So, binibigyan mo
Meron pa.
against Chocomucho.
Hindi ba lang namin yung sets eh.
Coach, pero talking about that 12-0 record, siguro was talking about consistency na lang, not just against a team like Chocomucho, pero yung consistency in terms of yung high level of play against teams like, yun nga, nakasing caliber ng Chocomucho na fit to lead for championships. Ano yung HBT sa tuloy-tuloy na ako ng success niyo against teams yun?
Lagi naman yung mindset is yung situational na nangyayari sa loob ng court. Hindi naman namin masyado iniisip kung sino yung nakatulog-0 kami, sino kalaban. Depende sa sitwasyon na mangyayari. Yung lagi yung mindset namin. Kahit sino yung kalaban. So hindi naman namin masyado iniisip. Sa kami ready kami sa lahat ng situation. Mapalamang, mapakiti, ano yung bigay sa amin na situation. Ready kami. Kahit sino yung kalaban.
Last lang, thoughts on a crowd of over 17,000 people watching on a Thursday?
Wow! Wow!
Sa Araneta.
Until now kasi nakaka-speechless pa din na ganun din yung support na binibigay pa rin sa atin ng volleyball community. And it's just so nice always to play in front of all these people. Sa mga nanonood din sa live on TV, napakasarap na makapagbigay ng magandang laro. And we really do hope na magtuloy-tuloy yung support sa buong volleyball community, not only sa women's, the men's, the Spikers Turf also has been really doing well. Even the beach volleyball, they played well also sa kanilang tournament just recently. So, we really do hope na mag-grow tayo together at mas malumaki pa yung family natin dito. And to the Choco Mucho fans, talagang iba po, Choco Mucho and Creamline fans, saludo po kami sa inyong lahat sa binibigay niyo pong effort and time para po magpapanood at ipakita sa amin yung pagmamahal.
Thank you guys.
Pagod all day.
Ang dami na